Welcome to my YouTube channel. That is My Knowledge Park. And today we have to discuss regarding one of the types of verbs, that is linking verb. In my previous video, we have discussed regarding four types of the verbs. Number one was action verb. Second one was stative verb. Third one was transitive verb. And fourth one was intransitive verb. But in my today's video, we have to see regarding linking verbs. Already we have discussed. पहले के वीडियो में हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. There are 10 types of the verbs. And out of 10 types of the verbs, we have ever discussed regarding only 4 types of the verbs. But today we have to discuss regarding linking verbs. अरे वो लिंकिंग वर्ब क्या है ये पहले समझ लेना बहुत जरूरी है. सो व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ अ लिंकिंग वर्ब्स? लिंकिंग वर्ब्स की क्या डेफिनेशन है? इट इज अ वर्ब दैट लिंक्स द सब्जेक्ट. दिस इज वन ऑफ द वर्ब्स एंड इट लिंक्स द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. इन वन ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस it links the subject of the verb to inform about the subject. What for? To inform. Inform करने के लिए ये जो subject है, subject of the sentence, to inform about the subject. इसके लिए linking verb का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. What does it mean linking? Linking is none other than it is connecting. Now, linking verbs do not describe action. लिंकिंग वर्ब जो होता है वो एक्शन डिस्क्राइब नहीं करता. जैसे कि एक्शन वर्ब वाज गोइंग टू एक्सप्रेस द एक्शन ऑफ अ पर्सन, प्लेस एंड थिंग, बट लिंकिंग वर्ब इट इज नॉट सो. सो हाउ मेनी लिंकिंग वर्ब्स आर देयर? इट हैज बीन सेड देयर आर 23 टाइप्स ऑफ द लिंकिंग वर्ब्स, बट present I have taken for study there are 18 total linking verbs. Which are those लिंकिंग वर्ब्स? पहले कौन से ये पहले जान लेना बहुत जरूरी है. कौन से वो लिंकिंग वर्ब्स? am is there, is there, are is there, was is there, were is there, being is there, been is there, be is there, have is there, has it there, had is there, do is there, does is there, did is there, will is there, would is there, shall is there, should is there. So total 18 linking verbs are there. And how do they use in the sentences? That is very important. Once again, let me clear the idea. What do you mean by the linking verbs? Linking verbs क्या कर रहा है? It is a verb. एक क्रियापद है. ये 100% quite sure है. That links the subject. What it is going to do? ये subject को link कर रहा है. क्या कर रहा है? That links the subject of the sentence. एक sentence है. सेंटेंस के अंदर एक सब्जेक्ट होता है, एक ऑब्जेक्ट होता है, एक वर्ब होता है, या सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. इन सेंटेंस व्हाट इट इज गोइंग टू से? सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस टू इन्फॉर्म अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट. What it is going to express? It is going to express to inform about the subject. How it is going to express to inform about the subject? Just the idea will be clear when I give one of the examples, and just I will underline that which is the linking verb. Just try to understand. For example, number 1, what it is there? She shall write the letter. She shall write the letter. Actually, before she, shall doesn't come. Always before she, there is will. And always before he, there is will. And whenever we are going to question at that time, shall we start? Like such type of the questions are going to occur. But now, for the sake of making you understanding, what is the linking verb? Regarding that, I am trying to tell. What I am going to make you understand, what are the linking verbs and how do they link? What it is? Subject of the sentence. She is the subject of the sentence. The whole is whatever is written, that is sentence. Now, subject of the sentence to inform about the subject. Inform about the subject, This is subject. What it is informing? Write is there. She shall write the letter. What the information over here? Shall is not going to express the meaning of action verb, but it is going to inform the, what we can say, subject of the sentence, to inform about the subject. What it is going to express? It is going to express, or it is informing about the subject. C is the subject, write is a verb, the letter is an object. But what is shall here? Here the shall is a linking verb. Why it is so? Because that shall is a linking verb and it is going to link to the subject of the information of the sentence. How? Subject is C. Shall is the linking verb, and write the letter. What it is? It is the sentence. And what is our definition? Our definition is that linking verbs do not describe action. लिंकिंग वर्ब एक्शन को डिस्क्राइब नहीं करता, तो क्या करता है? ओनली इट इन्फॉर्म. इट इज यूज्ड, इट इज अ वर्ब दैट लिंक्स द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस टू इन्फॉर्म अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट के बारे में इन्फॉर्म कर रहा है. हाउ मेनी सच टाइप ऑफ द linking verbs are there? Am is there. In question tag, am I right? Yes, you are. Like this. Is there. She has, or she, what you can say, she is going. For example, she is going. What going? Going is a, what we can say, verb it is. I mean that ing participle verb is there, but is going to express the meaning of linking verb, because subject, what you can say, it is going to link to the sentence. Are is there, was is there, were is there, being is there, been is there, be is there, have is there, has is there, had is there, do is there, does is there, did is there, will is there, would is there, shall is there, should is there. So what these are? These are the linking verbs. And how do we use the, how to be used in the sentences? For example, second sentence is there, Baba. Okay, what it is there? Try to understand. We will come tomorrow. We will come tomorrow. Now what in this sentence? Which is the linking verb? Will is the linking verb. Why will is the linking verb? Because it is going to talk regarding the subject, but it is not going to talk regarding the action of the subject or verb. Now, which is the verb over here? Come is the verb over here. And tomorrow it is an object. And what is we? We is the subject. Will is a linking verb. Come is the verb. And tomorrow is an object in this sentence. Try to understand, my dears, what are the linking verbs. Linking verbs क्या होते हैं ये देखना बहुत जरूरी है. क्या करे linking verbs? Linking verbs do not describe action. जो लिंकिंग वर्ब्स होते हैं एक्शन एक्सप्रेस नहीं करते, बल्कि वो सब्जेक्ट को सेंटेंस के साथ लिंक करते हैं. सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है? यहाँ वी है. उसको सेंटेंस के साथ लिंक कैसे किए? विल के जरिए लिंक किए. सी विल कम टुमारो. सी कम टुमारो नहीं, सी विल कम टुमारो. अंडरस्टैंड? सो इन द सेम वे, जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. थर्ड वन क्वेश्चन इज दैट what it is there? She has been writing. Now try to understand what is has and what is been. Has also is going to express the meaning of linking verb, and also been is also going to express the meaning of linking verb. Why? Because they are going to link that subject with the verb. Understand? They are going to link the relationship of the subject is with the sentence. Now writing, what it is? Writing, if you are written independently, it is noun gerund, and if it is used in the sentences, at that time what it becomes? It becomes ing participle, verb in ing participle. So such type of the uncountable sentences we can write after using the linking verbs, and linking verbs duty is to link the subject with the sentence. Clearly it has been informed or clearly it has been written. Already यहाँ लिखा हुआ है क्या लिखा हुआ है? इट इज अ वर्ब दैट लिंक्स द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस टू इन्फॉर्म अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट बोलता है, क्लियर बोलता है. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट इट इज? लिंकिंग वर्ब्स डू नॉट डिस्क्राइब एक्शन. लिंकिंग वर्ब्स एक्शन को डिस्क्राइब नहीं करता. तो क्या करता है? एक्शन को डिस्क्राइब नहीं करता, लेकिन वो क्या बताता है? इन्फॉर्म अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट बताता है सेंटेंस में. कैसे सेंटेंस में? या सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. कौन सा है सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस? ये पूरा का पूरा क्या? ये सब्जेक्ट है सी, और उसका सेंटेंस क्या है? शैल राइट द लेटर. यहां वी सब्जेक्ट है, विल कम टुमारो ये क्या है बाबा? सेंटेंस है. अब सी ये क्या है? सब्जेक्ट है. हैज बीन राइटिंग ये क्या है? सेंटेंस है. सो she shall write the letter. Actually, shall she write the letter must be there. Understand? Second one, we will come tomorrow. In this sentence, will is going to express the meaning of linking verb, whereas she has been writing in this sentence, has been is going to express the meaning of linking verb, because she writing doesn't happen. Understand? In the same way, what it is there? Do is there, does is there, did is there. Whenever you are going to ask the questions at that time, do, does, did, we generally use. Whenever we are going to frame a questions at that time, will, would, shall, should, and will is always going to express what we can say the desire and also the future. Would, understand the perfect form of would, shall, should. In the same way, what we can say, is there, am is there, is there, are is there, was is there, were is there, being is there, been is there, be is there, have is there, has is there, had is there, do is there, does is there, did is there, will is there, would is there, shall is there, should is there. What these are? These are the linking verbs. So guys, simply we have studied today what do you mean by linking verbs and what is the definition of the linking verb. Along with that, some of the linking verbs in English. So how to be used these linking verbs in the sentences, we will discuss in next video. Till then, take care. If you like my video, please like it, share it, and do not forget to subscribe it. Thank you.